Hey everyone, welcome to our Xbox Series S bundle unboxing. Today we will see what is inside this cool box and find out what goodies we have got. Alright, let's crack open this box and see what is inside. First up, we have a console itself, the Xbox Series S, compact and stylish, ready to bring hours of gaming really fun. Next, we have the cables. Here is the power cable and the HDMI cable, essentially for setting up your console with your TV. Here is the controller with the battery included. It's smooth, comfy to hold, and feel awesome in your hand. Last but not least, we have the user manual, your guide to get started with your new Xbox Series S. That's it for our Xbox Series S bundle unboxing. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more unboxing video like this one. Thank you for watching.